Hi, welcome back to Sideninehomestead. So today we're doing a little bit of meal prepping, and I made some New York strip steaks and some pork steaks as well as some kielbasa. So this is what it's going to turn out as. I'll show you how to do it, but let's... Alright, so the first thing I'm going to start with today is some New York strip steaks. I did have these in the freezer and I defrosted them, so they're ready to go. So I'm going to get them out of the bag. First thing, like always, is you want to make sure you pat all of the steaks dry so that we can get our salt on them. Now you can always add other seasonings if that's what you prefer. For a really good steak, honestly, all you need is salt. So that's what we use. But feel free to use whatever spice rub or anything that you may like. Next up, I have 2 pork steaks. So for these, what I did, I bought a pork butt roast, I believe it was, and I cut it into steaks. So let's get one out so you can see. Almost kind of looks like bacon. So we're going to cook these over the fire, and I'm also going to pat these dry so we can salt them as well. All right, next up is some uncured kielbasa. Now, if you recall, I did learn this past year that one piece is called kielbasa, and if you have more than one piece, it's kielbasa. So, right now, it's kielbasa, but watch this. It's a magic trick I learned. It's kielbasa. All right, I'll do a little bit smaller. Okay, so like I said, we're just going to use salt on these. So I have Redmond's real salt. That's what we're going to use.
That one's on.
Fire! Alright, so I'm going to use a little bit of this bacon up with my pork steak. So I'm going to put some of this in our foil, and then I'm going to wrap each steak in foil with the bacon up. And that's just going to help tenderize it and soften it and make it really delicious. Alright, so I'm going to just temp our steaks. We're looking for around 135, 133, 34, 35. That one's perfect. Can't see over the thing.
130.
All right, these steaks are done, so we're gonna get them off the grill. Let's cut into this steak because I can't wait any longer. Look at that, perfectly pink on the inside, still juicy. Let's cut a piece here and try it. It's a pretty big piece. The perks of being the pitmaster. Oh, it's cooked perfectly. So those are excellent. You cannot beat the taste of a freshly grilled steak over charcoal. The smokiness that you get from it, the wonderful flavor. And like I said, we only use salt in our steaks. That's really all that you need. Sometimes when we eat the steak, we'll add a little bit of extra salt, but it's perfectly cooked. All right, so here are the pork steaks. Let's take a look. Trying not to make a giant mess. Oh my gosh, they smell amazing. So let's slice into one of these and see how they turned out. Oh, I actually have a nice little smoke ring on there. That looks really good. All right, time for the official Pitmaster taste test. It smells really good. Oh my gosh. So it's a cross between like a country ham and a pork belly. It's delicious. Oh my gosh. Wow, I would totally do these again. And like I said before, what I did was got like a big pork butt that had a bone in it, and I just cut it down into steaks, took the bone out, and that's all I did. And when I wanted to really tenderize it, wrap it up with the bacon up, these turned out excellent. Really recommend doing that. All right, thank you so much for watching and coming to our channel. We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you could, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share. Feel free to share the video with your friends and family. We'd really appreciate the support. And also, if you look down in the description below, you'll see some information about how you can support our channel, as well as our link for LMNT electrolytes as well. So thanks so much.